Do you know many people are having trouble with unlocking their Weller W1010? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on station. Turn on your Weller W1010 soldering station and make sure it's functioning properly. Step 2. Access menu. Press the menu button to access the station settings. Step 3. Find lock settings. Browse through the settings until you find the lock or security option. Step 4. Select unlock. Select the unlock option and follow any on-screen instructions. Step 5. Confirm unlock. Confirm the unlock by entering any required code or pressing the appropriate button. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily unlock your Weller W1010 soldering station. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Weller users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.